Shepard want to see you.
Where am I?
How are you feeling?
Groggy. What happened to me?
I drugged you. You can't know where we're located.
Ever heard of a blindfold?
Sit down.
What's wrong?
How did you escape?
What?
Cade. How did you escape?
He kept me in a small cell with no bed and no window, but there was a drain in the floor. I fashioned some rope and used the grate to make a homemade mace. He came in to torture me and made my move.
How often did you see him?
Every day.
He tortured you every day?
Yes.
We got a call from a fixer we use sometimes. Cade contacted him, wanted a fake passport and passage to Venezuela.
Great. Can we...
A month ago. How did he torture you every day if he was in Venezuela?
You tell them that Cade held you captive and tortured you and that you just escaped.
That psychopath locked me in a 4x4 hole with no light, no clock, no way of keeping track of time. I was in and out of consciousness, so if he left for a few days, I would not have noticed.
His travel arrangements were one way.
So he went to one of your known associates to try to get away from you, and that's not raising a red flag? It sounds to me like he was trying to throw you off his scent. Is that why you brought me here? Because if there's nothing else, I need to get back before the FBI starts asking where I am.
You're not going back. We need you to do something first.